Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. If you guys have a Kia vehicle, you need to remove or replace front ABS sensor. This is known also as a wheel speed sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, how to remove them. There is one trick that will make your life much easier, because otherwise you can break the old sensor and you have a really hard time removing it. We'll be demonstrating on a Kia Optima, but even if you have a different Kia, okay, the video may be helpful on Kia models such as Optima, Forte, Sportage Sorento, and Kia Rio as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So, we'll be working on the front left side of that Kia vehicle guys. We'll demonstrate how to remove front left ABS sensor, also known as wheel speed sensor. You will need to jack the vehicle up on this side, remove the wheel. That's pretty simple. And when you turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, if you're working on the left side, that's your sensor right here. Number one thing, you need to get penetrating spray guys. That's the trick. Spray it, okay, on the top side where the cable goes, let it soak, spray it again multiple times while you're working on it, because it will have so much dust, dirt stuck inside that you will have really hard time removing it, and if you try to pry it out, it may break. Now the wire attaches to the brake line here. You have two things that you need to squish with the pliers usually. Yours may differ a little bit, but that's the concept guys. And you need to find where else it attaches. Okay, that wire goes to the strut. You have a mount with a 12mm that you need to remove. That's in our case. Then we have one more mount towards the back side of the strut, okay, right here, that we need to remove. This one is with a 12mm on our Kia here as well. So we'll go ahead, get it loose and show you what else we need to do. Alright, almost there guys. Once you loosen it, sometimes they go by hand. Next, follow your wire and you're going to find out that you have another mount, most likely. That's to the body, to the frame. Right here again, ours is with 12mm socket. Perfect. Then we need to follow the sensor and there is no connector. But if we remove the fender liner usually on a Kia guys, and we have one clip here that we're going to unscrew the middle part, okay, and once you unscrew the middle part, you can pull that middle out and the whole clip should come out. Okay, that's what it looks like. And we have two clips on the bottom that we pre-loosen. If we pull that fender liner out, okay, you will come right here and there is one connector. That connector is for the ABS sensor. It may be pushed all the way in, ours is hanging out. Somebody didn't install it correctly last time. All you have to do, press here, okay, it was connected. Let me explain to you, okay, you press down here and you release it. Once you release it guys, okay, it's going to come this way and just feed the wire around it. You need to install it exactly in the same way that we had it. Let's go ahead, turn the steering wheel to the left, and now we need to remove the bolt that holds the ABS sensor to the wheel hub. Usually those are 10mm, most cases. So we'll go ahead, do that now. Perfect. Next. Don't just grab and pull, sometimes you'll not come out. You need to get a small screwdriver and just start gently prying. If you pry too much, you can break it, and if it gets stuck inside, you may have hard time removing it. So, okay, right there, you can see we spread it with penetrating oil, and I want to show you that penetrating oil made it all the way inside and around that lip where it usually gets really stuck. You may even get a little bit of sandpaper and clean the hole when you install the new sensor if it doesn't want to go in because you have too much rust or dirt, guys. So that's how we remove it. If you want to see how to test it, we have a special video that explains that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.